Today, we will use the NLP feature offered by Pictoblox to develop a simple movie recommendation system based on moods. For that, we need to first add the NLP extension. Simply click here, search natural language processing, click on it, and you will see that it is added to your workspace. To make it more fun, let's choose a theater background. You can simply click here to choose a backdrop, search it. For example, let me search theater, and I found this. You can also move Toby. Now that we have our backdrop, the first step is to go to My Blocks and make a block. Let's say you name the block as Action Packed Movies. You click on OK and you'll see the block at your workspace. The next step would be to go to the NLP extension and drag the Add Your Text as Class block and stack it below the Action Packed Movies block. Now you can replace the first blank with moods that come to you when you're thinking of watching action-packed movies. Let's say you write thrilled. And the second blank becomes action-packed movies. You can simply duplicate it by right-clicking, stack it, change thrill to some other adjective that comes to your mind, for example, excited. And adventurous. You can add as many adjectives as you'd like. Now you can see that like action-packed movies, other blocks have been created based on movie genres like feel-good and science fiction movies. Now since we will be training Toby, we will create a training block. Simply go and make a block. Name the block as training. Now under training, we will add the reset text classifier block. The purpose of the reset text classifier block is to erase any previously learned information. Now we will add the data blocks one after the other. The data blocks are the three blocks based on the movie genres. And now we will add the train text classifier block. So this is your training block. Now that all the blocks using the NLP extension have been created, it is time to write the script that will help Toby recommend movies based on moods. Click on the events palette, click on the when green flag clicked block, go to My Blocks, add the training block, now click on the looks block, click on say hello for 2 seconds and drag it to the workspace. You can replace the text with whatever you want Toby to say when Toby greets you. For example, hello, welcome to virtual theater. You can change the timing from 2 to 5 or 7 seconds. Then you can go to the sensing block. You can click ask what's your name and wait. Replace what's your name with the desired text, which is how do you feel today? Now what you do here is You simply go to the control palette, you click on the if block, then you go to the operators, you click on an is equal to block and drag it and place it right here. Now, for the first blank, you can replace it with the answer block. And for the next one, you can remove the answer block. You can go to get class of, and here you place the answer block and write action packed movies. Now, the answer block is basically what you'll be answering here. You'll understand it better when you see the demo. Now, what will happen is you can go here, you can click on think, you can change it to you can change the timing here and you can track the say block and recommend some action based movies like Jumanji. You can change it to 5 seconds. Similarly, you can duplicate this block and write Harry Potter and Chronicles of Narnia. So this is done. Now the step is to actually see how it works. You can click on full screen here. You can click on the green flag. Toby will greet you. Then it'll ask you how you feel. So you can answer it. Let's say you write thrilled. Now, why do you write thrilled? You go to the action packed movies and you see that there is adventurous, thrilled, excited, etc. You press enter and then Toby recommends you to watch some action packed movies. It also recommends the movies that you've mentioned here. So you've successfully trained Toby to recommend action packed movies based on your moods, which are thrilled, adventurous, and excited. You can do the same for feel good movies as well as science fiction movies by adding more if blocks, think blocks, and say blocks. So, this is how you make Toby a movie recommender.